Cauliflower. 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 What is this? Potato. 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 French beans. What is this? French bean. And what is this? No. Hold this.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower. What is this? Acha, now can you tell me? I will give you one vegetable. This one. Hold this. Okay? And hold this. Which is smooth and which is rough. This is what? Touch. Touch. Smooth.
I like this cauliflower so much. This is flower. But name is cauli. ये तो flower होना चाहिए. But ये को cauli बोलते हैं, cauliflower. But it's like ये sabji, it is a vegetable.
Can you tell me a dish which is prepared out of this? This is carrot. Very good. Yeah. Okay, next.